Yo guys, what's up? Today we're talking about how to get free gems and tokens in Istanbul, guys. As you can see, for my mobile devices is already installed application Istanbul Guys Plus Plus. It's like modded version, and this application allows you to generate free gems and tokens for your account. All you need to do, we must enter amount as you want. And this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how it's work and how to get this application for your mobile devices. Okay, enter amount of gems and tokens as you want. The next step is press generate, and now everything is already generated for our account, so we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account will be open and everything will be generated for our account, so we must wait, and boom, look of this. Now everything is work. I get free gems and tokens in Istanbul, guys. This application Istanbul Guys Plus Plus is already working for Android or iOS devices. So how to get Istanbul Guys Plus Plus for Android or iOS devices? Application is already installed in my mobile devices, and now for my Android devices Istanbul Guys Plus Plus is already installed. It's super easy tutorial. Enjoy and thank you for watching.